Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change controls in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see on the top right corner, there's an option which looks like setting icon. So click on it, and as you can see here, this is the control section. So you can choose either the simple mode or the advanced mode where it has one tap areas. You can also activate hip fire if you want, or just custom. So I'll just choose one tap areas. So if you go to basic, you will see various options here, all of the controls that you can change and customize according to your need. You can turn off the aim assist, fast throw grenade on. If you are using joystick, you can click it on. If you want quick run, fixed fire, left joystick. So there are a bunch of options here where you can change the control from. So I will just select MP mode right now, and if you go to sensitivity, we can increase or decrease the acceleration value in here. I will just let it be as it is. You can also turn off the link sensitivity with the resolution, or you can change the rotation mode at fixed speed, or distance acceleration, or speed acceleration. And this option here, sensitivity switch, you can switch while opening areas or switch after areas animation ends. Okay, so here's the sensitivity, the standard sensitivity, sniper scope sensitivity. I will just increase this one, it's very low for me, and I will also increase this one. Alright, so that's how you can change controls. The gyroscope sensitivity, I will increase it here. The BR settings. So there are a bunch of options that you can use to customize your setting here, to customize all the controls, the vehicle settings. So that's how you can do that. Also, if you are using a joystick or a controller, you can use this section here to customize according to your needs. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.